Hey guys, it's week 4 of August, and this is the curriculum for 3s, 4s, and the special needs classroom. So this week's story is called Bigger Barns, and it is Acts 2:45, and it is a story about a man who had a barn full of crops and food, and they asked him if he was going to share it with the people in his town or he was going to keep it all for himself, and he chose to keep it, and then he died and all the food went to waste and nobody got it. And so it's to remind us that when we have an abundance, it's our duty to share it with others in need and not keep it all and hoard it for ourselves. So one of our activities today is called Barn, and you guys have cups and little bags of goldfish and little barns, and you're going to have the kids put some glue on the back of the barn and stick it on the cup to make their own barn and fill it with food. So when it's done, it will look like this. Look, I had a before and after. Are you proud of me? And they will, and you will talk about how when we have a lot, just like he had a lot in his barn, we share it with our friends so they can take that home and share that with their moms and dads and brothers and sisters. Their next activity is called To Share or Not to Share. So you have a cup full of sticks. You're going to have the kids pull out their stick, and there's a little star at the bottom. You can ask them what color the star is, if it's their favorite color, and then they can choose to keep the stick or they can choose to put it back in the cup and share it with their friends. And at the end of the activity, you'll probably have about half as many sticks in here, and you can talk about how we had started with a lot, but because we shared and we gave them to our friends, now we don't have as much, but we still have plenty for ourselves. And your last activity is called Happy Verse. So because it's the last week, we want to make sure they remember their memory verse for the month. So you're going to do their memory verse with emotions with them, and then everybody can have a happy smiley sticker to remind them that they did their memory verse. Week 4 should be on your DVD player, so make sure they get to watch the video, and then they have a fun craft in the art room. Thanks, guys.